Hi guys, it's Nina from VR Focus. I'm joined by...
Falk Möckel is my name, and I'm the Managing Director of Fact Software. It's a developer of the game Crazy Machines.
So tell me a little bit about you guys. How you guys doing virtual reality for the first time, or have you guys done lots of VR?
I think it was our first VR title which we will bring to the market. This is our first title which will be released on PlayStation 4 and Steam VR. Normally Crazy Machines had a long history. The first title came out in 2004, and meanwhile we had a lot of versions and releases for several platforms and any platforms. And there was a time that we tried some VR titles at first, and we said we must bring out Crazy Machines for VR because it's so appropriate for using elements and parts in the way that we do, and it feels something like really natural what you are doing. If you have the parts, take it and place it into the machine, it's fun and it's experience, I think.
Okay, fantastic. And how many levels are there? What are you trying to do in the game?
The main task of the game is to solve given tasks, to given objectives from the off voice, maybe something like this. And in a very simple way, you have to bring maybe a basketball into a basketball hoop, but it's not so easy as it seems. You have to use some all-day lives things and objects, maybe something like a candle or a catapult, and maybe something like this, and you have to fulfill a chain reaction to solve the given tasks. And that's the main thing about the Crazy Machines, and that's what you're doing. You're taking parts and try to solve this machine with help of the chain reaction.
It seems like a great educational sort of application.
Yes, it's kind of educational, and we had a lot of positive feedback from educational institutions about the game generally, not only Crazy Machines VR. It wasn't our main focus to bring a special game for education purposes, but yes, it will be something like educational game too. Yes, but in the main focus we want to have a fun game.
So tell us when the game is coming out and to which platforms it's coming out.
Yes, the PC Steam VR versions will come out in fall this year, and the PlayStation 4 version will. We want to make it as best as we can, because PlayStation has a special platform, and we want to bring it. The game perfectly fits on this console, and that's why it will come out in the new year. It's I think in the first quarter, I think. Okay,
and when you say it's for PC, is that for Windows, Mixed Reality, Vive, and Oculus?
Yes, all these devices will be supported because it's Steam VR, and this is it's the main container for it.
Okay, fantastic. Do we have a rough price point for it? Is it going to be how many
stages? It's a difficult question because it's not decided yet. But I think $20 minimum, I think.
And how many levels in total? Like, what's the game time hours that you've got for this?
40 hours for 40 levels it will be, and I think 16 hours if you would play it without a break. But it's not so good to play this at once, because it's. But it's appropriate to play it level by level, and that's why it's very good to play at one day one level, and next day next level.
So slow progression.
Yes.
Is this a game that you play by yourself, or can you play it with other people as well? Is there a co-op mode?
No, there's no co-op mode. It's a game for playing on its own. The most of the people want to have time for it and want to figure out what they can do, and they need a lot of time to explore the game. The first levels are very easy to solve, but during the game it will get more and more complicated, and there will be much more physical systems like wind or lasers or power, electrical power, and you have to know it step by step. We try to give the player a lot of possibilities with a lot of physical systems to manage the whole game, because there are so many difficult levels at the end of the game, and you are needed to know everything about the parts what you have to build in, because you have to know how to solve it.
All right, is there a website that we can go to find out more?
Yes, this is crazymachinesvr.com, and at the moment there isn't so much information about the game, but it will come after the game comes. There will be much more information about the game.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you too.
Head over to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about VR, and I will see you there.